Getting ready for a ride home. So as you can see from the title and thumbnail, I'm gonna be doing a review on my Shoei RF-1200. For anybody who's interested in purchasing this helmet, I know that when I was looking for a helmet, I tried to see if I can find some reviews just to give me an idea of what kind of helmet I'm gonna be buying and if I'm gonna like it or not. So if you guys have been following us for a while, you know that I used to have a Bell. It was a pretty basic model. I forget the model, but it was my first helmet, so I didn't really know too much about what kind of helmet to get. If I can find a picture, I'll put it up at the screen. But yeah, I think it cost me like 120, so it was nothing special. I didn't really know much about 3 years ago. So once I tried on this helmet, I could tell the difference right away. The way that the helmet fits snug and the cushioning on the cheek pads is a lot different than my previous helmet. So yeah, that was a plus for this helmet, is that the pads feel a lot better. There's a lot more cushion in between the pads. So I did try it on in store before I decided to make the purchase, and it did fit me pretty snug. That's what you want, is for it to fit you pretty tight, because after a while it does break in a little bit. I think this is a size medium. I probably could have gone down to a size small, but this is a medium. It's a pretty good size. Feels pretty good. So yeah, I had it on in store for 5 to 10 minutes, what they recommended me to keep it on for, just to see if, I guess, if you get any kind of like pressure in your head, and I didn't feel any of that. Till this day, I don't feel anything. It feels perfect. As you can tell, I do have the dark visor. I almost wish, watching reviews, I almost wish I would have gotten the, what is it called? I forget the name of it, but the visor that transitions, the transitional visor. It's a little bit more pricier, but it's probably more worth it. But this visor is still good. It's not too dark, so I'm still able to see at night. And I'm pretty sure you guys can probably see through the visor right now. It's not too dark. Another thing that I liked about the helmet that I didn't know was that this is Snell approved, meaning it's been tested, and it's also DOT approved. Not too many helmets, from what I know, are Snell approved. It also has a emergency quick release. I think you just have to pull the red straps down from under the helmet in case, you know, anything goes wrong. I don't want to jinx it. In case anything goes wrong and you're not able to take off your helmet, it has a quick release. So that's a plus for this helmet. So as far as the wind noise, it does have 2 vents on the top, 1 in the back, so the air can flow, and it has the bottom vent down here at the mouth area, I guess. So for me, I don't think that, I mean, it's not too bad. I do get some wind noise, but that's because I chose to remove the chin strap. And I did watch some videos, and I did hear that the chin strap is for the wind, but I don't like how it feels when I put on my helmet on my face around down here. It just feels too tight, so I took it off. I'm sure with it on, it'll eliminate more of the wind. But as far as the wind noise, you don't get too much wind noise. If the mic is picking up the wind noise, it's probably because of the chin strap. So the wind noise isn't too bad. It just depends how fast you're going and if your vents are open. I don't usually keep my vents open. So I took the worst street. I know that they do have a few different styles with different graphics, or not styles but colors. I ended up getting the matte black. I like the look of the matte, but I do notice that it does smudge a little bit. So I've had this helmet for about a year or so. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think, if you guys do have the Shoei RF-1200. The price range, I ended up paying about, I'm gonna say $450 to $500, which was pretty pricey. The RF-1400 ended up coming out like, I think a month after I got this one, which kind of sucked, but I mean, the 1400 was a lot more pricier. If you guys do have the 1400, let me know how you guys like it and if there's any differences. I haven't looked into the 1400 reviews. I'm not planning on upgrading my helmet because I've had it for about a year only, so I don't need to upgrade it yet. I mean, I still like the look of it. It looks really nice. The first time I saw it, I fell in love with it. If you guys haven't seen the unboxing video, I'll link it down below in the description. So maybe in about another 2 to 3 years I can upgrade it. See what the difference is. I don't know if I'll upgrade to a 1400, but I like Shoei, so maybe I can check out the 1400. But yeah, if you guys have any more questions, let me know in the comment section down below if I didn't answer any questions that you guys might have about the helmet. Overall, it's a really good helmet. It's really comfortable. It doesn't weigh much. I think the reviews that I saw said it only weighed 3 pounds, 3.5. Because the first time I tried it on, it felt heavier, but it doesn't weigh much to me. It's not too far of a ride home. I decided to ride today to record this video. I normally don't ride to work just because of the traffic. Sucks. Whoa, guy. So yeah, like we were saying on the previous video, we're gonna try to be recording a lot more this year. Comment down below, let us know what you guys want to see. More vlogs, DIYs, reviews. I know personally I like to watch the vlogs. you guys haven't already, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to check out our Instagram. The link's always in the description. If you guys want to support the channel by ordering some merch, we'll be leaving the link in the description. And for those of you guys that do have, for those of you guys that do support, thank you guys so much. It really does mean a lot. Catch you guys on the next one.